Good morning to everyone, dear learners and viewers. I hope you all are well by the grace of Almighty. First of all, I welcome you to my online class. The class is regularly organized by BGC Academy School and College, direction of our Honorable Principal. Today, I will discuss verb for the students of class 7. Already I have taken 2 classes on verb. I will take the classes on verb part 3. Dear learners and viewers, be attentive to my lecture and listen to me carefully. We will be able to learn transitive and intransitive verb. Today's topic's names of principal verb is divided into 3 kinds: transitive verb and intransitive verb. Number 3 is a linking verb. Linking verb is called the copulative verb. Dear learners, follow me. At first, we have to know the definition of transitive and intransitive verb. Dear learners, follow me. Principal verb is of 3 kinds. Principal is of 3 kinds. Number 1, transitive verb. Transitive verb. Number 2, intransitive verb. Transitive verb, intransitive verb. Number 3, linking verb. Linking verb is also called the copulative verb. Dear learners and viewers, follow me and listen to me carefully. We'll be able to find out we'll be able to find out transitive and intransitive verb from the sentence. Be attentive to my lecture, dear learners and viewers. At first, you have to know the definition of transitive verb and intransitive verb and linking verb. I will discuss basically transitive and intransitive verb. Have you understood, dear learners? Okay, very good. Write down these lines. Okay. Transitive verb and intransitive verb. If you want to find out transitive and intransitive verb from the sentence, at first you have to know the definition of transitive and intransitive verb. Do you know the definition of transitive and intransitive verb? Okay, let me write transitive and intransitive verb. At first, you have to write the transitive verb. Transitive verb. Okay. Transitive verb needs an object. Transitive verb needs an object to complete its meaning. Dear learners, listen to me carefully. Transitive verb, in short form TB. Transitive form needs an object. In the transitive verb, we get an object in the sentence to complete its meaning. Have you understood? Dear learners, in the transitive verb এর মধ্যে আমরা একটা object পাবো. Have you understood? Okay. Transitive verb needs an object to complete its meaning. Intransitive verb in intransitive verb, intransitive verb needs no object. Intransitive verb needs no object to complete its meaning. Dear learners, listen to me carefully. Intransitive verb needs no object to complete its meaning. That means intransitive ভাবে এর অর্থকে সম্পূর্ণ করার জন্য কোনো অবজেক্টের প্রয়োজন হয় না। But transitive verb needs an object to complete its meaning. Dear learners, already you have learned the definition of transitive and intransitive verb. Write down this line. Okay, very good. Then transitive and intransitive verb. You can find out the transitive and intransitive verb easily. At first, you have to know the art or technique of the technique how to find out transitive and intransitive verb. I am trying to my best how to find out transitive and intransitive verb from the sentence. Follow me. In a diagram, write down to your exercise book. Verb. That verb will be finite. That verb will be transitive and intransitive. That verb will be transitive and intransitive. But we have to find out that verb is transitive or intransitive. At first, you have two verb. What or whom. What or whom object then is called transitive verb. Verb what or whom, no object is called intransitive verb. Follow me, dear learners and viewers. We have to find out the transitive and intransitive verb from the sentence. Follow this diagram. If we ask the verb with what or whom, the object we get is called transitive verb. That verb is called the transitive verb. Same verb will be transitive and intransitive. Listen to me carefully. That verb will be transitive and intransitive. If we ask the verb with what or whom, the answer that means the object will you get, the object we get, that verb is called the transitive verb. In বাংলায় দেখো একটু, ভাবকে আমরা কি বা কাকে দিয়ে প্রশ্ন করে যদি অবজেক্ট পেয়ে থাকি, that verb is called the transitive verb. Have you understood? ভাবকে আমরা কি বা কাকে দিয়ে প্রশ্ন করে যদি আনসার পেয়ে থাকি, ওই ভাবটিকে বলা হয় কি ট্রানজিটিভ ভাব। Have you understood? Okay. That how to find out the intransitive verb from the sentence. Follow me. That verb is transitive or intransitive. Follow me. If we ask the verb with what or whom, the no object, that means no answer, that verb is called the intransitive verb. Have you understood? If we ask the verb with what or whom, no object, that means no answer, that verb we get no answer we get, that verb is called the intransitive verb. Bengali meaning, ভাবকে আমরা কি বা কাকে দিয়ে প্রশ্ন করে যদি কোনো আনসার পাওয়া না যায়, কোনো অবজেক্ট পাওয়া না যায়, ওই ভাবটিকে বলা হয় intransitive verb. Have you understood, dear learners and viewers? Okay, thank you. Then follow me. Already you have learned how to find out transitive and intransitive verb from the sentence. Okay, already I have written some sentences on the board. How to find out transitive and intransitive. How to find out the transitive and intransitive following the sentences. Sentence গুলো অনুসরণ করে which one is transitive and which one is intransitive. Which one is transitive and which one is intransitive. We should keep find out. Okay, let's go to find out the transitive and intransitive verb. Dear learners, no is a find it, no is a give transitive or intransitive. How to find out? Very good. If in the sentence object is available, that verb is called the transitive verb. Because if you ask the verb with whom, object is available, whom, object is available, that verb is called the transitive verb. That means whom কাকে চিনি, ছেলেটাকে কি চিনি। The object is available, that verb is called transitive verb. Have you understood? Then second step, when is called transitive or intransitive. Okay, transitive or intransitive. Intransitive, very good. That is not object. In the sentence subject is not available, that verb is called the intransitive verb. Because we do not get the object. If you ask the verb with what or whom, যদি ভাবকে আমরা কি বা কাকে দিয়ে প্রশ্ন করে যদি আনসার পাওয়া না যায়, ওই ভাবটিকে বলা হয় কি ইন্ট্রানজিটিভ। কি যাই, কাকে, কোনো আনসারই পাচ্ছি না আমরা, that is verb is called the intransitive verb. That verb is called intransitive verb. Have you understood? দেখো, there is no object. There is no object in the sentence. Object is in the sentence object. There is no object in the sentence. Object is not available. That verb is called the intransitive verb. Then third one, the birds are flying kites. Flying what? Flying? That is object is available. That object is available. That verb is called the transitive verb. Have you understood? If you ask the verb with what, answer is available or object is available, that verb is called transitive verb. Very good. The verbs are flying in the sky. In the sentence, there is no object. It is not called the object. It's the adverbial phrase. It's called the adverbial phrase. Notice, it is not object. Object is not available. That verb is called the intransitive verb. Because we do not get the object. If you do not get the object, if you ask the verb with what or whom, that verb is called intransitive verb. Okay? Then she smiles a lot. That verb is called the intransitive verb. Because there is no object. It is not called the object. Because we do not get the answer. Object. Answer or object we get. That verb is called the intransitive verb. Because if you ask the verb with what or whom, answer is not available. Or object is not available. Is called the intransitive verb. It is not object. It's called complement. is called a complement. It is not a object. Okay, key, no. How? We will already we get the answer how. If you ask the verb with key how, that will get the answer. But will you get the answer what or whom? The verb is called the transitive verb. Have you understood? Okay. This is not called the transitive verb. It's called the intransitive verb. Last one. Same verbs can be transitive and intransitive. Object is available, that verb is called the transitive. Object is not available, that verb is called intransitive. It is a very easy way how to find out the transitive and intransitive verb. Have you got it? Very good. Smiles. Smiles. What? It's a fake smiles. She smiles, a fake smile. Object is available. Object is available. That verb is called the transitive verb. That verb is called transitive verb. Dear learners and viewers, we can also some examples. We can also give the some examples. She speaks. She speaks loudly. Loudly. She speaks loudly. He, what, whom. There is no key object. It's called the adverb. It's called the key adverb. No object. It's called the key adverbial adverb. Though no object. No object, that means in the sentence object is not available. That verb is called the transitive verb. She speaks. She speaks. She speaks the truth. She speaks the truth. She speaks the truth. That object is available. We can answer. If you ask the verb with what or whom, the answer is available. Object is available. That verb is called the transitive verb. That verb is called the transitive verb. Have you understood, dear learners and viewers? Very good. I will discuss the details in later class and after class. Dear learners and viewers, thank you everybody, and we should keep in touch with us regularly. We'll be able to learn something from us. Thank you everyone, dear learners and viewers.